Now we're going to cover a new concept called a logarithm. Logarithms and exponential functions are inverses of each other. So the point of a logarithm is to answer the question, what exponent was used? The thing that you always need to keep in mind with logarithms is that they are equal to exponents. A log is equal to an exponent. There are different sciences that use logarithms, such as in radioactive decay, financial interest, chemical reactions, magnitudes of earthquakes, etc. So let's see what a log looks like. Here's something familiar, exponential equation. We have a base to an exponent that's equal to our answer. When we are rewriting this as a log, we put log. Our base is going to be a little subscript. It's going to be a tiny little letter or number that's kind of below the G. It's not going to be the same size as any of the other letters. It's going to be smaller and down a little bit. That B comes from the base of our exponent, of our exponential equation. Inside of the log, we're going to put the answer. Sometimes you'll see parentheses around this. And again, like I said before, a log is equal to an exponent. This x came from the exponent of our exponential equation. So right now, we're just going to practice rewriting going from log form to exponential form. So first we have log base 3 of 243 equal to 5. Notice here how small and low down that 3 is. That's our base. So looking at the conversion, our base, that's the base of our exponential equation. So I'm going to start with the 3. A log is equal to an exponent, so that's going to be the exponent. And then our answer is inside of the log, so I'm going to set it equal to what's inside of the log. So essentially, if it has the log first and then what you're equal to, you're going to take the first number, then the last number, then the middle number. So here are some examples that I want you to try. We have log base 15 of 225 equal to 2, and then log base 3 of 1 over 27 equal to negative 3. You try rewriting these on your own, pause the video for a second, and then I'll show you the answers in a few seconds. So let's see what we got. Our base was 15, our exponent was 2, and our answer was 225. Notice it's in a different order on each side of the equal sign from what I did before, but it still means the same thing. And then for number 2, our base was 3, our exponent was negative 3, our answer is 1 over 27. Now let's practice going the other direction. Here we're going to be given an exponential equation and we need to rewrite it as a log equation. So 6 is our base, so I'm going to put log with a base of 6. My answer is this 1 over 216. And then my log is equal to an exponent. So that is this equation in log form. So once again, I have a couple examples that you can try on your own. Pause the video, and then you can check your work in a second. 2 to the 7 equals 128, and 1 over 7 to the 3rd equals 1 over 343. Try writing that in log form. All right, let's see how you did. We have log base 2 of, our answer was 128, equal to the exponent. Log equals exponent. Our exponent here was 7. And number 4, we have log base 1 over 7 of 1 over 343 equal to the exponent, which was 3. And that is how we rewrite from exponential to log and log to exponential.